takot sila. Yan naman may ano sa taas, may crown. May crown naman sila. Ay, bakit ganito ang aking ano? Habang naglalakad tayo, ayan. Chuk 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 chuk. Chuk 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 chuk. Chuk 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 chuk. Hindi sila nagtatanim pero may nakakain. Ayan. May nakakain sila. Siyempre, nandyan ako. Lilim naman yung isa. Habol. Mag-friendship. Sila ay mag-friendship na. Ayan. Habulin mo. May ano yung kanilang noo. May spike. May spike sa kanyang ulo. May spike sila sa kanilang ulo. Hello. Yun, may naglalakad si ate. Ganyan talaga tayo ngayon. Lakad-lakad. Kanina takot sila. Ngayon hindi na. Ang ganda ng ano no, greens. Saan ang sambahan? Oh, meron din dito nag-iisa. Meron din dito nag-iisang ano, mga ibon. Mga ibong lumilipad. Ayan. Ayan. Nagsosolo lang siya na. Hanap buhay siya. Ayaw daw na niya ng mga friend para wala siyang kaagaw. At baka magmarites lang. Oh, marami ditong food, oh. Tamang-tama, sa akin lang lahat ito. Para, oh yun, lumayas na. Saan siya pupunta? Oh, punta natin yung isa. Yung isa naman. Ayan. Nagpapainit siya. Yung isa nagsalilim lang. Oh, madami na. Marami. Madami na sila. Kita mo yan, marami siyang nakuhang pagkain. Oh. Marami siyang pagkain dyan. Oh, sige, lakad ka lang. Lakad ka lang. Huwag ka na mahiya. Oh, bakit naman lilipad? Kasi, ba't ka naman lumilipad? Oh, huwag kang lumipad. Kasi hindi naman kita anuhin. Oh, namamasyal na silang lahat. Ganyan lang. Ang ganda, di ba? Pati ako naglalakad din. Tapos iniingatan ko na wag silang lumipad. Kasi ayan, namamasyal sila. Sabi niya, anong ginagawa ng ali na to? At bakit kami sinusundan? Sinusundan mo ng tanaw ang bukas. At hindi yan itlog, parang itlog no. Ayan ha. Ayan. Hello, good morning. We're friends, right? Your friends. Come with me. Come with me. Come with me. Ha? Ay, nagsasalita ka? You can talk. Look at the eyes. Look at your eyes. Beautiful. Look at you. I like the color. And your spike on your head. Hello. Where's your friend? Where's your friend? Where did you go? Where did they go? Where did they roam around? Hi. I got no food. Just plastic bag. Just a plastic bag, but there's no food. Hi. Why you run away? I will not catch you. I will not catch you. I'm just amazed to your body with the spike on your head. Beautiful color. And you're so quiet. Quiet. Come on. Come closer. Don't run away. I will not eat you. Chasing the birds. Oh, they're beautiful. There's a lot more there. Look at that. There's a lot. Ay, my God, why I'm filming the building? No, let's go. How about you? How about you, lonely girl? How about you? Did you find something to eat? Oh, why you fly away? I will not eat you. Okay, there's a dog over there with the two little. They don't like the charming. Okay, let's go walk. Let's go walk around the block and find something. This video is 10 minutes. We can do it 10 minutes or so. Shout out sa ating viewers dyan. Rickman, LMA, shout out, Tindor, Cosidons, Konya, Sunrise Sunset, Tom Harris, shout out dyan to Rosette, Ati Hides, good morning. And there's another Tindo, Miss Noy, Karay, ayan, nag-fly na. Why you fly away? Oh, we're in the shade now. I'm on the shade. Oh, okay. Shout out sa ating very supportive followers, viewers, and everybody that not mentioned in this vlog. Today is Saturday, the 11th of April. Oh my God, 4 months already from the new year. So 8 months to go before Christmas. Before Christmas, no? So, Shungangers, thank you very much for your membership. Wow, you're so kind. You are very generous. Pinay in Australia, Western Australia. Thank you very much for your membership. I really appreciate. And those who are supporting during my live stream, but not this one. Not this one. Mega Oliva, shout out again, again and again. Mega Oliva, Simple Nanette, Mikey, even you are not showing up in my life. Mikey, I don't know where you are now. mm. Sir Robinson, he is very ano, very ano yun, lagi niya akong piniply at may ayuda din. Yay, thank you very much for the ayuda. And then who else? Sino to? Mix, thank you, salamat sa inyo. Salamat sa iyong support. At dito tayo ay mag-film ng anahaw. Anahaw? O dates. Ano ba to? Anahaw ba? Ang anahaw nagyayelo na kasi malapit na malapit na siya. Gusto kong yung bitin-bitin dyan. Oh, yan. Yan. Ang anahaw. Ay, pwede ito pang gawing umbrella to cover your head if you need it when it's raining. No? So, improvised umbrella. Alam mo, pag mahaba-haba yung pag mahaba-haba yung upload mo, medyo maganda yung medyo mahaba-haba din yung views mo. O, diba? Kaya, aray ko. Ito, marami dito kita nyo yan? Oh, diba ang ganda? Lagay natin, ganyan ang mga nakikita natin pag naglalakad-lakad tayo, no? Pag naglalakad tayo, katulad nito, ano yan? Kasi may bote. Lagay natin dito para mayroon tayong bote. Oh, $10 yan, day. Oh, may 10 dyan. Oh, ayan, oh, 10 centavos ng dollars. Oh, sayang naman. Oh, diba? Ang dami ko lang talagang ginagawa. Ang dami ko lang ginagawa. Sayang naman. Tapos tayo dun sa may oh, there's one more. Oh, you're left behind. Hi. Iba-ibang season pala kasi minsan pag ang pumupunta dito yung mga white na birds, mga white. Ngayon sila naman yung may mga spike. Bakit kaya? Ano ang ibig sabihin yan? Iba-iba. Hi, come here, come closer. Hi, birthday. Let me see. Let me touch your spike. Can I touch your spike? Kasi spike on your head. Spike. Yan, malapit na po tayong mag-end. Oh, dito lang. Dry na dry. Autumn na ngayon, guys. So, dry na dry ang mga ngayon. Pero ang galing ng mga ang galing. Oh, ngayon maglalakad ako going up. Ay, he's following me. following me. Bye! See you next time. See you next time. Okay, we'll go up the hill. Let's go up the hill. Bye for now. See you next vlog. Ayan, itong routine ko lang, no. Everyday, di ba, iba-ibang pinapuntahan. O, ang ingay na ng mga inchik. O, mga inchik yan. Maingay. Yan. Thank you very much for watching.